Okay, hello again, welcome back. What I want to do is to continue in regards to health and safety, accident and emergency procedures. Okay? Now, excuse me while I get this into shot. Now, again, remember that we're looking at 2357 and the 5357. The 5357 has replaced the 2357, but some of you will still be covering that work in regards to your portfolios. But remember that in both cases, you will need to have portfolios to complete your qualifications. And again, can I remind you that, to the best of my knowledge, it's a 4-year electrical apprenticeship. Okay? Now again, read the information. Look at what's been said and what's been asked for. Look at what it is asking you to do. It is relevant. You will be the electrician. It is your responsibility to make sure you have complied with the law and the health and safety legislations as it applies in respect of the IEE regs. Do not ignore it. There is now legislation in place which makes you legally responsible for your actions, for what you may have done or may not have done in regards to any task you have undertaken. Okay. And again, please comply with the IEE regs / IET regulations. Now, I don't need to do a lot of talking here because this is self-explanatory. Okay? What to do in the event of finding an injured person. Now again, you need to know this and how it's applied. You will be asked questions on it, especially on the online test in regards to Unit 301, etc. Okay? Well, it was Unit 301 unless they have changed it since. But it will be the health and safety unit, irrespective of the time applied. Okay? Okay, now your task is to answer the questions. So you act as a recap session for yourselves. Answer the question, do not ignore it. Okay? That's why they're there for you, to make sure that you have understood what you have been asked and what you have just read. Do the questions. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.